What up, everybody? Grom Trooper here. Today we're going to take a little different way down to the shop, and we're going to go put the license plate and some other accessories onto the beast. And we're also going to swap out the front brake pads, because pretty sure one of the reasons the front brakes are performing so poorly is because those pads are just completely impregnated with fork oil from the old forks that were leaking like mad. So we're gonna get it a little bit more stopping power than it has right now. Ooh, Swiss Alps. Alright, cool. I'll see you guys at the shop. What up, everybody? Grom Trooper here, and we've got a slightly different view for you right now. This is the inaugural ride of the beast. Oh my god. This thing is so comfortable, like insanely comfortable, especially for somebody with legs as long as I have. The forwards are a very nice addition, and fortunately new front brake pads made the front brakes actually work halfway decently. They still don't work amazing. I think I might have to bleed the whole system and rebuild the master, but for now, you know, they'll absolutely do what I need, which is stop the motorcycle. Oh, alright, so first off, these grips are fucking terrible. Oh, they are so not friendly, but you know what, they look good, so screw it. These mirrors are completely useless in the orientation they are right now. You can't see diddly behind me. Oh, we're gonna have to fix that. Green? Yes. Oh my god, it's so comfortable. Can you stay in your lane, bro? Oh my god. This is amazing. Alright. Well, for everybody that told me to get a damn VTX, I will say it, you were right. This is an amazing motorcycle. Comfort-wise, though, oh my god, I could do this all day. All day. I love that shadow. Oh my god, it's so edgelordy. Remember, kids, edgelord points are not about functionality. They're about style, shininess, and telling people that you grew up on the rough side of the streets and they need to, you know, be wary of you. I don't even fucking know. I really don't. What I can tell you, though, this bike is stupidly fun. Oh. Thank you to my friend John, who took me down to the shop today to get my motorcycle, because I'll be straight up with you guys, I rode down the Rebel to work on this, got the brake pads installed, got the license plate on it, and was like, yay! And I was like, wait a minute. Like, I got two bikes here. I can only take one of them home. I was like, I'll take the Rebel home, have somebody come pick me up. And, you know, John is one of those good friends that you can call in the middle of the afternoon on a Saturday and be like, hey, I need you to shuffle me across town to the shop. a lot louder than the Rebel was. Or is. For those wondering, I'm gonna stop riding the Rebel. It's still gonna be my daily. But this is a day trip bike like no other. Also unlimited power. Except for it's completely limited, but you know. So, not a fan of how much these bars vibrate. And of course I have solid metal grips, so there's no vibration dampening in my hands at all. It's like a shiatsu massage chair for my hands. Like, it's nice and comfy, but sure is fucking gonna be comfortable, or you know, smooth, I guess. Oh, these forwards are so nice. Gotta get used to the gearing on this now. Ding, 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 ding. Oh my god. So this has a gremlin bell, which is awesome. But I'm not used to having a weird little jingling noise on my bike, so it keeps terrifying the shit out of me. And definitely has some shake noises. Oh, but she rides so good, especially on those new tires. Ding, ding. So yeah, there's the new bike. You'll be seeing this view, seeing the view from the Rebel, the view from the Grom. We're starting to get warmer. It's still a little chilly. I should probably have worn at least glove liners today because my fingies are a little cold. But, you know, I'll turn into the sun here in a minute and they'll warm right up. Oh my lord. It accelerates so fucking awesome. Like Christmas. Oh, it's driving me insane not being able to see anything in my mirrors. It's like you do the duck and look. Also, you feel like you're going a lot slower than you actually are on this motorcycle. And I have a feeling that might cause some problems for me in the future, but not now. Just out of curiosity. Yes, please. road there. Kudos to whoever the person is who works at this Jiffy Lube who rides like every day, rain or shine, on that CBR. Ooh, Wisconsin plate. I'm a child. Oh, nice bright neutral indicator. That's good. Really can't see shit in these mirrors. Question is, do I dump my controls forward so I can, or do I get ball joint or something to go on there so you can adjust them? Woo! She get warm. People certainly hear this thing coming. Whee. Oh yeah, those front brakes are a million times better. I will say, the handling on this motorcycle is very good. Very responsive. I can't see diddly. Alright, well, that's it for the quick first ride video, guys. You know, probably tack this on to the end of some other video or something. And yeah, I'm gonna do a full, like, go out and ride it around review at some point. But for now, oh my god, am I gonna have enough metal now to actually trigger lights too? Oh, miracles do happen. Oh yeah, working front brakes is great. Alright, peace out, y'all. See you in the next one.